What is up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to build a all AMD Ryzen build for about 470 Canadian dollars. Today's build is not only great price to performance, it is also very easy to upgrade in the future. Now with that being said, let's get to the parts. What we got here is a Ryzen 5 1600X. I was able to snatch this for only $120. It also came with a stock cooler with the thermal paste pre-applied. This is a really good 6-core budget CPU. It is able to handle streams and other intensive workloads easily. For the motherboard, I decided to go with this B450M from BioStar once again. It is still on sale for $78 at local Canada computers. With a BIOS update, this motherboard can support up to Ryzen 5000 series. Although I will only recommend you to go up to a Ryzen 550 600X. As for the RAM, I was able to snatch this Vengeance LPX DDR4 16GB clocked at 2133 CL13 kit for only $55. I was actually able to snag 2 kit of this for $55 each. I'm gonna use it with another build coming soon. Now for the power supply, I'm gonna use this Gigabyte 550 watt 80 plus bronze power supply I got for $40. I actually managed to snag 2 of these brand new in box for $40 each. Now for the boot drive, I got this 120GB SSD on AliExpress for $24. This should be big enough to store most of your software as well as the operating system. As for the main storage device, I decided to use this 2TB hard drive that I got for $20.25. I think 2TB is a sweet spot for all the gamer and streamers out there that are on a budget. Now the case to hold all the components in, I grabbed the Deepcool Matrix 55 mesh from Canada Computers for $56 after tax. This is a really nice case to work with. It has a lot of room for cable management in the back. And it has a power supply cover unlike the non-mesh version that I used 2 weeks ago. I also added 3 red LED fans in the front in order to keep the theme matched with the Funko Pop. Now for the Funko Pop of choice, I decided to go with this Pennywise with the balloon from It Chapter 2. This Funko Pop is from a horror movie, which is why I decided to go with the horror theme for today's build, hence the red LED fans in the front. Obviously, I decided to go with red LED because red it's a scary color. Oh. And now, lastly, the moment you all been waiting for, the graphics card. I was able to snag this HD 7950 3GB for only $50. This HD 7950 is actually really beefy. It's a triple slot Asus DirectCU 2 and it stayed very cool during all the gaming benchmarks. Now let's pull up a price tally for today's build and get to the time-lapse, then the benchmarks.
That's right, I heard the story over and over again. Gee, it's swell to finally meet her other friends. That's right, I heard the story, don't really like how it ends. Gee, it's swell to finally meet her other friends. What did she say about me? What did she say? What did you do without me? What did you do?
saw was with the RAM overclocked to 3000 MHz at CL16. Overall, today's build was really good price to performance. Not only is this PC really easy to upgrade in the future, it also still offers really good price to performance in 2021. With 6 cores and 12 threads, you could definitely stream on this PC easily. The HD 7950 is still a very capable card in 2021 for some mid-range gaming. Now with that being said, thanks for watching today's video. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and click down that subscribe button. If you didn't like the video, still click on that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Now have a nice day, bye.